Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. Finalising a property settlement is an important step towards cutting financial ties with a former partner. As part of this process, the law will examine the financial and non-financial contributions that you have both made towards your marriage or de facto relationship. However, many separating couples fail to realise that any assets brought into the relationship may also be up for grabs. Initial contributions refer to any asset that a party brings into a marriage or de facto relationship. Common examples of initial contributions can include such things as land, cash and bank savings, superannuation, or investment properties and other real estate. When altering the interests of parties in a property dispute, the court has the power to make any such orders as it deems appropriate. When exercising this broad discretion, the court will apply the following approach. Firstly, it will identify each party's assets and liabilities. Secondly, it will assess each party's contribution to the relationship. Thirdly, it will take into account the future needs of each party. And lastly, it will reflect on whether the proposed settlement is both just and equitable. The court will consider the parties' initial contributions in the second step of this approach. In practice, this means that initial contributions are just as important as any other contributions made by either party during the relationship. Under the family law system, couples can enter into a binding financial agreement to protect their financial affairs. These agreements allow you to take matters into your own hands rather than leaving it up to the court. Thousands of couples have used RP Emery's services to help them quarantine their assets before entering into a marriage or de facto relationship. If you'd like to learn more about our range of binding financial agreements or legal review service, you can click on the links below.